Hello everyone, this is Teddy the roofer. We are here to do a roof repair. This looks like everything is fine, but not. This roof is leaking a lot. This roof is only 3 years old, and the owner paid a lot for this job, and it's never stopped leaking. And the reason why they decide to go with the metal is because they want to fix the problem forever. But it's not fixed. It's still leaking. It was leaking before they put this metal. So I'm going to show you where's the problem. The problem was the installation. They installed it wrong. They told me they have like 3 or 4 roofers come here to look, trying to find the problem, and they did this. They put a lot of caulk here, trying to seal around it. What's wrong with this is this thing is not for a metal roof, or at least it's not installed correctly. They just go around with the metal. That's crazy. Look what they use here. That's not for metal. So the big problem with this is this panel is in here. This is supposed to go all the way here, so the transition should not be like this. You see how water is pouring here? Water not supposed to be pouring here. This thing is called transition metal. The purpose of this is to kick the water away from this area, but it's not doing the job because it's not installed correctly. It's not supposed to be like this. So what happens is this is too short here, so the water is going under this. See? The roofers, the past roofers do this job. They leave it like this. Nothing here. No filter. So one of the handymen installed this here, but it's not doing the job too because it's not for this. So now we're gonna redo this area. We're gonna eliminate these electric vents here. Metal roof supposed to be one piece all the way from the bottom all the way to the transition or to the end of the roof. Right there at the transition, there should be the end. But they put 2 pieces here. One come from there, they stop here. That will be okay, but it's done it once, so still is a problem. Look what they did here. I find the day I come to look this, I find a lot of holes. Some of those holes I fill it, I put it new screw to it. That roofer, when they install metal, they pre-hole. They make the hole in the metal at the ground, but this is what happened. They forgot to drill all the holes. You know, this the problem why it's leaking too. how they left it. It's crazy. And they didn't put it right here. See the ribbon center supposed to be in the center of the body, or to the right. Look, the screw these people use. It's not for a metal roof. That is what I was talking about. See? So short. See the water. The water come here. So look how the water moves. Because there is not supposed to be here. The water not supposed to be pond here. This should be more up there to kick the water out away from there. Look how wet this here. This wood was installed at the same time this, so it's supposed to be like this. But see, I changed the color because a lot water touch it. See all the water here. See how wet is there? See all the debris on there. Here. All this debris means water come under. Look. If this debris can come under this panel here, you can imagine how much water can come under or run directly to the first roof of the old shingle. This is how this thing look like. That way, I told the owner, see all the water here, all the watermark. Because the water come here, go all the way here and go under. The flange of this supposed to be here. It's not. Oh wow.